Jesus did for me. I can't tell it all. I just can't tell it all. And I want to tell you tonight to be expectant.
Yes, amen.
This is a prayer meeting. And the most important prayer meeting that ever took place was the prayer meeting before the church was instituted.
Amen.
So we're in a good place in anticipation of a mighty move of God tonight. Amen. Sometimes we can't step into the new until we hear the prophetic voice of God. Amen. And where we hear the prophetic voice of God is at the prayer meeting. Amen.